If you've ever wanted a tastier, healthier vegan version of the boxed classic pasta, here you go. If you've never had it, I still think you're gonna love this better version of the Hamburger Helper Classic. This version is just as quick, but I think much tastier. Start by sauteing some onions in a little olive oil and a pinch of salt along the way. Then add the vegan ground beef. I like to use the Beyond Meat block because I can pretty much find it anywhere now and it tastes darn close to the original to me. I've also used TVP or crumbled up tofu and tempeh for a healthier choice. Break it up like you would ground beef until you get little bite-sized pieces. Then add the tomato paste and mix that around until you get it well incorporated and cooked a bit. Add your spices and the cornstarch, which will help thicken the sauce. After they've been incorporated and cooked for a minute or so, add the veggie broth, mix everything together, and bring to a boil. Then add the pasta and bring the pot down to a simmer. You'll need to look at the directions of your macaroni box or any pasta you choose because they vary slightly, with the majority taking about 9 to 10 minutes. You'll want to cook the pasta without a lid until al dente, since it will continue to cook further while it sits in its own heat. When the pasta is al dente and most of the liquid is absorbed, add the salt and pepper and the optional vegan cheddar cheese shreds. I like adding them for the creamy texture they give, but they're certainly optional. If you leave them out, it'll still taste great. And that's it. Serve it warm with a side of greens or salad for a complete meal. For details and measurements, jump over to nutsandtwigs.com, where we make nuts and twigs delicious. Thanks for watching.